What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Well, it's been a while, but it's time for a new video. Time to get back into the swing of things. And today, unfortunately, it's not with the 63, but I'm actually having to work on the Silverado. Okay, and we have it here behind me on jack stands and everything. I have to change the wheel hub on the driver's side, put a new one on, and hope that it works. Never done this, but I've seen it done. Pretty self-explanatory. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try and do this. All right. Hey, it's got to get done. It's got to get done, you know. So let's just go ahead and get to it. Let me show you what we got going on. Okay, that's the wheel hub we got to change. Okay, it's jacked up already, ready to go. Got it sitting on jack stands, as you can see. All right, there's the 63, just sitting there waiting for more work to be done. All right, it's nice to have a shot where everything fits a little tight, but no biggie. All right. So let's go back over here and show you what we got going on. Parking brakes on. It's on jack stands. Got the wheel chocks on there. Alright. Barely fits in my cigar bar area. Look at that. But it fits. And I can close the door if I have to. Yeah, that's the beauty of having this shop now instead of a two-car garage. As you can see, both trucks fit in here, no problem. If need be, I have to put them in here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. But anyways, there's all the apparently necessary tools that hopefully that's all I'll need. So anyways, like I said, let's get to it. Let me put this on a tripod and let's get to work. Okay, I'm gonna set this down and hopefully it'll work. So we can get back, so we can get started. Sorry for the video quality. I'm still using an old imitation GoPro. It's been through hell, but it's still working. So let's see what kind of content we can get out of it. All right. So to remove the hub, these are already loose anyways. They don't even tighten anymore. They're just plastic lug nut covers. You know, the truck is 20 years old. But unfortunately, we still have some that are sitting in there tight. So 21 millimeter. All right. They're just hand tightened. Surprised I haven't lost any of these yet. Okay, and that's a 21 millimeter. All right. The lug nuts, 22. Okay. Little CNH old school. Okay, let's see if we can actually get a video out of this. Apparently, before I raised it, I forgot to loosen the lug nuts. So I had to lower it back down, loosen the lug nuts, raise it back up. And I'm sure a lot of you have fallen in that situation sometimes. I'm not a mechanic, so I'm just doing what I can. Oh, looky there. Oh, you guys got to see this. Let me bring you guys in here real quick. See if I can. All right. So, apparently, there's a bird's nest in my truck. And there's an egg right there. That's a bird's egg. And there's the nest. How? Seriously, people? How am I driving around with a bird's nest? I gotta call my wife over. Deverlyn, yeah. You gotta come and see this. She is gonna flip. Bird poop all over there. So, anyways, I still have to disconnect the. You ain't gonna believe this.
What's that?
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Tell me what you see.
Oh, wait. What am I looking at? So I can see better.
Everything around. What do you see?
I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking at, honey.
You don't see the bird's nest and the egg?
I mean, I was just going to say I see bird poop right there. It looks like, but where's the nest? Where are you saying? Oh.
There's the egg.
Oh. Oh. You have to try to save it.
How we've been driving around all over Tennessee like that.
And that looks like a robin egg, like the ones we found on Easter.
Let's see if we can salvage it.
Remember when I found
Oh man, it's in between the...
Oh.
No, it's cracked.
Aww.
Looks like that. No, it's gone.
Bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found one just like that on the sidewalk on Easter morning.
And it's stuck in between the fuel lines and the brake lines and stuff. So.
Yeah, I didn't see the nest when you were trying to ask me what I saw, but I did see the bird's poop.
Yeah. No, it's a bird's nest.
Oh, yay.
Alright, let's get back to work. Yep, we're trying. We're trying to do some YouTube here.
I figured you were doing your Yubi-Tubi, either that or you finally lost it and you were talking to yourself.
Well, both. I've been talking to myself and I've been losing it. So, but we're all good.
Carry on.
All right. That's from O'Reilly's. That's the same one as, and there went the cornhole board. But anyways, this is the same one that I had bought for, geez Louise, this table is way off. There we go. Jiggling around too much. Anyways, as I was saying, this is the same one I got for the passenger side just about a month ago actually. Barely. I gotta pop this open. Old one out of here. Well, that felt good. Man. Whew. I didn't know taking something out of a box was such a struggle. But the struggle is real, people. Struggle is real. Alright, so here's the ABS cord. And that clip that I broke, trying to get the other one off, it comes with it, so that's nice. Yep. Here's the outside part of it, right here. It's got that factory oil on it, so the packaging oil, I guess you would call. Here's the new setup right here. Okay. Here's the old one. It's all rusted and looking bad. 20 years old. Basically the same thing. So I'm going to take a quick breather and then we'll come back on and get it on. Put it in. Install it. Oh, by the way, I got a free hat for spending more than $14. Favorite store. So, anyways, here's the new one. Now we got to put it on. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and take it for a test drive, see how we do. Okay, so far so good. Feels normal. Nice and smooth. I don't hear any weird noises. Yep, it's doing all right. I don't feel any shimming. I don't feel any bumps. No like rattling type stuff. It feels really good, nice and smooth. Oh yeah. I think we pulled this one off. Yes, we did. Okay, yeah. Okay. What do you say we turn back around and head on home? Well, that's all I got for you guys. I hope it was entertaining for you. You guys got to experience my struggles. You know, it's not the easiest things for me to do because of the fact that I got somewhat of some disabilities that don't allow me to do certain things. But it needed to get done, and I'm too cheap to go pay somebody else to do it. But I think we're good to go for another good 10 years at least, if not more, depending on how many miles I put on the truck. Glad to be back. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again for being there with me through having to move from one state to another and trying to get established in my new home. And now that we're all squared away, now I can start doing videos again. And this happens to be an opportunity, so I figured, okay, let's tape it and see what happens. So anyways, y'all have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for all your support and your likes and all that good stuff. And hope to have more videos here soon to come. All right, so y'all have a great day now, and God bless.